February 29th, 2024, leap year. We got an extra day in February this year. We're leaving Indian Springs State Park. We didn't get any video or pictures because we already have video and pictures of Indian Springs. It's 40 degrees, quarter till 9. Georgia 42 goes across there to the south. US 23 comes right there to our left. Indian Springs is right straight across going down the hill there. I just wanted to get this roundabout. They're working on this roundabout here, so we'll have that documented before they get finished, and then you get to see what it looked like while they were working on that. We're headed north. We don't know what we're going to do, where we're going to go. We're just headed north. That's all I know to tell you right now. Funny yellow dot on the camera. I don't know what's going on with it. Just trying to tell me something, but I don't know what it is. The US 23, Georgia 42, north. We had this coming south, but we did not have it going north. Butts County Fire Station number, I didn't get the number. Stayed south another couple of days, but got a couple of things that need to get done. Got a dog and a buzzard over there working together. They've been working on the railroad. They got these new cross ties out here. New rails, new cross ties. Heard several trains last night. I hope we can get a train today. We haven't had a train in a while. That little short train. We want to get back to Tate. We had one of our viewers tell me about switchbacks. I'd never heard of a switchback. Don't know what it is, but it's talking about, said there aren't a whole lot of them left in the United States, where you've got a steep grade, how the train will zigzag back and forth, so that the grade won't be as steep. There is Fresh Air Barbecue there on the left. I wonder if they must be open. They must have biscuits, I guess, you reckon? Let's turn around and check it out. We'll see if they have biscuits. We got one right on our tail, but we're going to cut it off and go back and see if they have biscuits. Fresh Air Barbecue voted best in Georgia. I don't know that I would agree with that, but doesn't matter what I agree with. Let's pull in here and see. I guess they got things cooking. Today is Thursday, isn't it? I don't know if they have biscuits or not, but we're going to find out. I don't think they're open. I think that those cars were just there. We didn't stop going in anyway. So we're headed on. filled up in where did we fill up? Baxley. Our gas gauge is showing 3/4 of a tank. I know we do not have that much because I'm going by mileage. We got 156 miles. So that is incorrect. We can't depend on our gas gauge anymore. We've got to make sure, Jackson, Georgia, we've got to make sure that we keep up with our odometer and keep up with mileage and get gas about every 300, maybe 320, 340 miles. We should be able, at 12 and a half miles a gallon, we should be able to go at least 370, but we don't want to push it, get the tank too low. So we'll probably start getting gas about every 300 miles, or every time we get gas, we'll go ahead and Hunter's Cafe, they'll have some biscuits. But every time we get gas, we'll go ahead and reset the odometer. Just got to make sure I get in the habit of it, or I keep an eye on it, or we'll run out of gas. Monticello to the right. We could go to Monticello. We don't have this road. We got to figure out what we're going to do. Georgia 16 East. These clouds clear up. Monticello would be a good city. I've got Monticello on a cloudy day. Bunch of Jeeps for sale. Bunch of Broncos, trucks. There are a lot of trucks. I still don't see many vans for sale, but there are an awful lot of trucks for sale. There's a McDonald's. I don't want one, but I guess we could eat a McDonald's here in Jackson, Georgia. Depending on how crowded they are. Some of that van, that van's got doors on both sides. That would be just right. Well, the McDonald's wasn't crowded, but we passed by. Covington Street, Georgia 36. Where are we going? We do want to head to Athens. I need to head to the Walmart on Lexington Road, pick up a prescription. And then I want to head over to Ackworth. Haven't visited my daughter for a month or so. Need to get over there. Need to get by and see my son and his family too. They're over there in Monroe. Not Monroe, they're in Winder. Where do these things come out of my mouth at? Where are they at in my head? Okay, let's turn here. We may go back to 16 and go. We may head to Monticello. I wonder how far it is. Getting the option of the size. That must be what that little yellow line is up there, yellow dot. I've got to figure out what it is, because if I want to zoom out, then we'll have to stop this and reset this camera. I don't know what's going on with it. Okay, we reset the camera. I don't know what that little yellow dot was. It's probably some kind of setting. You couldn't zoom in or out. I think we'll go back to the McDonald's. Go ahead and get a McDonald's and maybe cut over to Monticello. Big warehouse or something over there I want to get pictures of and video. We'll have to come back and check that out. Adams something or other. Interesting building though. We got to check it out. let's turn it off until we figure out where we're going. We've got the camera reset. We want to get the courthouse up here, so we've got it zoomed out. We're going to go down and catch that other building. Then we're going to see where Georgia 36 goes. Is this one way? Nope, it's not one way. So we will turn right and see if this takes us by this building, or whether we need to go one more street. I think we need to go one more street. Yeah, they tried to, when I got to the window, they charged me, the large coffee costs more. Cooks, what is that? Barbecue. I bet they got some good barbecue there when they're open. Adams Briscoe. Purina Chow. Seed and feed, storage, processing. This is my kind of place. I like this. Okay, we're going to stop this. We're going to get a picture. Then I think we'll go ahead and maybe get this one ready and go ahead and start uploading it.